Mae'r fideos YouTube yma wedi cael eu creu gan bobl ifanc sydd ag anableddau dysgu a gyfer y pobl ifanc sydd ag anableddau dysgu. Maent wedi eu creu i helpu pobl ifanc sy'n symud ymlaen o'r ysgol uwchradd i wneud penderfyniadau am beth hoffent ei wneud nesaf. Mae pob fideo'n edrych ar wahanol faes bywyd ar sail beth mae pobl ifanc wedi dweud sy'n bwysig iddyn nhw wrth feddwl am y dyfodol.
Rydw i newydd fod yn fy adolygiad ysgol, a dwi mewn dryswch ac ansicr beth dylwn ni wneud wrth adael yr ysgol. Maent wedi awgrymu'r coleg, ond dydw i ddim yn siŵr ai dyna'r rydw i eisiau wneud. Rydw i'n teimlo fy mod angen mwy o wybodaeth am yr holl bethau a gallwn ni fod eisiau wneud ar ôl ysgol. Sut ydw i'n penderfynu beth i'w wneud?
Mae'n iawn peidio gwybod beth rwyt ti eisiau wneud wrth adael yr ysgol. Mae llawer o bobl sydd ddim yn gwybod beth maent eisiau wneud, ac mae'n iawn newid y feddwl yn y dyfodol. Gall rhoi cynnig ar wahanol bethau dy helpu i benderfynu beth rwyt ti'n ei hoffi a beth sy'n addas i ti. Beth am i ni fynd i siarad efo Mark a Justin, sy'n gwybod llawer am ffyrdd o fynd ati i benderfynu beth sy'n bwysig i ti?
Hi, I'm Mark. Welcome to the One Life Show. This edition of the show is about young people looking towards their future after they leave school. And I'm delighted to welcome our special guest, Justin Maluish.
Hi, thanks for inviting me.
So, let's talk about some of your life choices. Can you remember, Justin, what your dream future was when you were younger?
It was my dream to be an actor and a performer.
Some people may think that having a dream future is unrealistic. What do you think?
My message is to follow your dreams.
Let's start by talking about your experiences when you were in school.
At 14, I was offered even between bricklaying and catering. They were the only choices I got given. My mum thought me to do drama and I got my GCSE. My school encouraged me to stay on sixth form to take performing arts. I didn't feel ready to go to colours at 16. It gave me longer to look what was available to me.
So your first experience is that you weren't really offered a good range of choices. What happened after you finished school?
After this, my mum and my sister had me access to performing arts in college. And I studied a 3-year course on small animal care at Northup and IT course at Deeside.
What else did you do to help you to work towards your goal?
I did work experience with horses in a stable. I volunteered at Chester Zoo for 4 years. I also started glass collecting in my local pub doing quizzes when I was 18. Later on, I got my chaperone licence to help in theatre work.
So you tried a lot of different things. Education, learning new skills, work experience. What did you do next then to be able to follow your dreams?
I auditioned for Actors Academy Coach Hijinks. I've been training for them for 7 years. I've done lots of performance work, including my latest role. I also attended Mer's Arts to where I learned my bass guitar in our band called Sound Express.
So I guess the message is to think about your passions and interests and to find ways to develop your talents. Explore the world and learn as much as you can. Now, you mentioned earlier that your dream was to be an actor and a performer. How have you got on with that dream?
I represented Hijinks in performing in South Africa, and I toured Europe with a production called Into the Light, and I performed Missing Control at the Principality Stadium. I acted in the community production called Mode Riots. I have been in the film Good Pools and Shadows. I have made a nominated film called New Horizons, and now I am going to be seen in BBC Wales drama series called Hidden. I am living my dream.
To have achieved all of these things, Justin, you must have had a really strong team behind you.
The most important thing in my life are my family, socialising, my work. As an actor, I'm lucky to be surrounded by my very supportive family.
When thinking about life after school, it's important to think about all the different areas of your life. These might be having good friends or a relationship, getting a job, going to college, getting your own place. It's important to remember that it's your life, and within it, it helps to listen to parents and other people, but you can make your own choices and have your own voice heard. Is there a final message from you, Justin? What would you say to young people who are thinking of leaving school?
Don't give up, work hard and follow your dreams.
So if you are thinking about the future, going to college, having a job, having your own place, remember to look at our other film clips. And that is the end of our show tonight. And thanks for watching. And thanks so much to our special guest, Justin Maluish. Remember, if you're looking towards the future, you only have one life, so go for it.
Roedd hwnna'n defnyddiol iawn.
Mae yna nawer o bethau i feddwl amdanynt. Beth hoffet ti cael gwybod mwy amdano nesaf?
Comisiynydd y fideos gan rhaglen trawsnewid anableddau dysgu Gogledd Cymru gyda'n gilydd. Mae Gogledd Cymru gyda'n gilydd yn bartneriaeth rhwng y 6 awdurdod lleol, Bwrdd Iechyd Prifysgol Beti Cadwaladr, Grŵp Partneriaid Anableddau Dysgu Gogledd Cymru a Gymuned Anableddau Dysgu Ehangach yn Gogledd Cymru.